This is Fred, down in Decatur, Alabama. I have apnea, snoring, and dry mouth problems. CPAP took care of the apnea. The chin strap took care of the snoring about 60%. And this little attachment, where'd it go? There it is. This little attachment that I made for it takes care of most of the rest of the dry mouth and snoring. I looking for help on the YouTube and saw this video where this guy asked if he could put duct tape on his upper lip to help, and had a picture of him with the duct tape. The guy that's got the four-legged device, that's got the two big straps that go around your head and up over the top of your head, is on the right track. But it's got to be very expensive and hot and uncomfortable. The object of the game is to keep the lips touching so you do not get a large airflow that dries the mouth and tongue and causes it all to stick together. The suggestion to use the CPAP humidity to help dry mouth do not work for me at all. The humidity is for the nose and very adequate for that. My attachment uses any chin strap with a chin pocket, so that just anybody's. This one I think was $19.95, and some Velcro, which you can get at Hobby Lobby, Lowe's, Home Depot, most any place. Adjust the chin strap so that it fits snugly on your head, and then cut two little short pieces of hook Velcro. Put one on each side of the chin pocket, right here, and put them about even with your upper lip. You can sew them on or glue them on. It comes with the glue on it. Hold the loop under your center of your nose and cut it to fit. You need to just notch out a little place so it won't cut your nose. The hook and loop at Lobby was $9.95 for 6 feet and was 50% off. I used the ResMed P10 nasal pillows. They work great for me. I had their Quattro before and a Philips Hybrid before that, but they both crawled up, and the Quattro made a little crack right here that blew the stream of air right up your forehead, which was uncomfortable. The Philips had a little strip of plastic between the nose and the mouth opening, and that pushed up and tried to cut my nose off. Very bad. I would like to have been able to lay on my side, but get a large air loss with everything that I've tried. But this seems to work and help me with all of it. So I'll get this put together, and when we do, we'll have the chin strap with these little pockets or little Velcro pads. Put it on, pull it under your chin, take the little strip, put it under your nose, and attach it to the hook sides. It's open so you can get a drink of water, talk. Of course, you know it's kind of hard to talk with a CPAP machine. But I hope this works for you as well as it does for me. Have a good day. God bless.